How to make some extra money. Whether you need extra cash for living expenses while attending school, to put money down for a trip, or to support an expensive pastime, you're looking for a means to make more money. Obtaining a part-time work, selling your belongings, or even saving money will help you achieve whatever goal you have in mind. 1. Pick up a side job. Adding a part-time job to your income is the simplest method to make extra cash. A part-time employment can significantly impact your financial situation, even if you just work a few hours per day or per week. 2. By selling your skills and information, you can earn money. A random part-time job can be entertaining, but if you can find one that pays well, that would be ideal. 3. Become a caregiver. Your income may significantly increase if you offered only a few of your weekly hours to look after your neighbor's children, dogs, or homes. People who need someone to look after the things they've left behind while they're away from town may also be willing to pay a hefty sum of money for your assistance. 4. Increase your pay at your current position. There's a good possibility that your current employment isn't paying you enough if you're seeking for additional income. There are a few things you can attempt even if you might not be able to make more money in your current job. 5. Online money making. It's a great approach to earn extra money to find online employment. If you know where to look, you may work from home and make money by offering your services. 6. Sell your belongings. By selling your used items, you can also generate a little amount of extra income. There may be many goods laying around your home that you seldom ever consider using but which might bring in a sizable sum of money. 7. Rent your belongings. Additionally, there are benefits to renting your possessions. This is a simple method for making money and using items or space that you don't really need. We wish you all the best and lots of fun and success. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.